Okay, in this video, we're going to be doing a 9-month taste testing of a batch of blueberry wine that I made. Hi, I'm Charles, and welcome to DIY Fermentation, your site for doing fermentation on a shoestring budget. Okay, we don't have any new members to report this time around, dang it, so we're just going to get right to it. Now then, some of you might have noticed 9 months. Hey, wait a minute. I thought you did 6-month taste testings. And you would be right. Unfortunately, at 6 months, I just forgot about this batch of wine. There were 5 bottles and it just got overlooked. This 6 month put it in about December and I was already crunch time with Christmas and all of that. So yeah, this one just got overlooked. But it's never too late to do it again. So we're going to do it again. 9 months. All right, let's get right to it. Couple of things. I've already looked, but there is no sediment at the bottom of the bottle, which is always a good thing, in my opinion. Let's see, born date 6/2020. AVB was 13.3%, so didn't create any rocket fuel. This is more along the lines of your standard range for alcohol by volume. I don't need glasses. Let's get right to it. It's already been back sweetened some time ago. I'm noticing a fair amount of bubbles, small bubbles coming up. So I do believe this is going to be a sparkling wine. Wasn't intentional. Still working on that video to intentionally produce a sparkling wine, but this just tells me that I didn't degas it as properly as I should have. And since it didn't pop the cork and it didn't break the bottle, I'm assuming that there's just not that much CO2 buildup in this bottle to cause concern. I'll have to take another look at my other bottles to be sure of that. But getting right to it, I think I like these green bottles that I used for this batch of wine. See if I can get my hands on some more of these. You might be able to see it, but there's quite a bit of foam at the top. Pour a decent glass here. All right. Even though it's a bit of a dark wine, it is clear, which is a good thing. You can smell the alcohol just a little bit, so there's no big deal there. Can't really smell the blueberries all that much. If at all, you can definitely smell that alcohol just a bit. All right. All right, let's see what I have created. Couple of things. I like that little fizz as it goes down your throat. The bubbles aren't large enough where you would really call it. It's not like champagne or anything like that. It's a light fizz. It's a light fizz. I have no problems with sparkling wines. Actually, I like them quite a bit. In terms of flavor, it's got a deep. The flavor is pretty deep. It's not washed out. It's not watery. You can taste the berries in this one, which is what I like. I think I've noticed that about the red wines is that you can actually taste the fruit a lot more than you can with the white. Most of the whites that I've done. In terms of sweetness, I back sweetened it so that it was, it's semi-dry, which surprisingly is how I like mine. I like the fact that it's got that good body to it. In terms of relative viscosity level of the wine, it's not like I said, it's not thin, but it's not syrupy at all. No, it's not syrupy at all. It's got good flavor. It goes down smooth. But even at 9 months, I still have to say that I can still taste that slight bit of harshness on the back end, which is telling me that at 9 months, yeah, I intend to finish this bottle tonight, but at 9 months, it's not quite done. I think at 1 year, the 1 year mark for this blueberry wine should be just about right. So another 3 months should do it. You can start passing it around, as it were, and enjoy a pretty decent blueberry wine. Surprisingly. It's funny the things you find out when you start making your own wine. You never really know what to expect when you do something for the first time. But for blueberry wine, with this, would I add this to the rotation once everything is all said and done with regards to this channel when I'm just making wine for myself? Yeah, I would put this on the list of wines that I would make again so far. We'll find out in 12 months. Hopefully in 12 months or in 3 more months, just where this wine stands amongst the others. I think I need to create a top 10 list of wines that I've done so far. And then I won't say a bottom 10 because there are only a few that I just really have my doubts about. But the bottom 3, I think, is what I'll do. I'll create a list of that at some point. But again, short video, blueberry wine, 9 months old. I'm not complaining. As far as that being a sparkling wine versus a non-sparkling wine, hey, if you don't degas your wine properly, this is going to be one of the possible results that you'll get. Again, sparkling wine video some point, don't know when, but yeah, at one point I'm going to try and intentionally make a sparkling wine. So there you go, blueberry wine. Hope you enjoy.